Okay, so solve tayo number 15 naman. Ito. Problem number 15. So ito yung number 15. Yan. Tapos ay 14. Okay, so sabi dito, if a variable inductor is substituted for the one in problem number 14, what should be its value if an equal current is to lag behind the voltage? Assume all other conditions to remain unchanged. Okay, so ito ay integrated sa number 14. So, sabi dito, iibahin daw yung inductor. So, pakopyahin natin yung mga given sa problem number 14. Hindi na natin ito-drawing yung circuit kasi hindi na necessary. Kopyahin lang natin siya. Ngayon, sabi dito, if a variable inductor is substituted for the one in problem 14, what should be its value? Sa madaling salita, yung inductance natin guys ay iba. Same lang ang formula ng variable inductor sa normal inductor. So, no problem doon. So yan ang hinahanap, yung inductor. In addition to that, yan ang hinahanap. What is ng inductor? Ngayon, ano pang ibahin natin from the number 14? Kasi sa number 14, diba ang ating answer is sa number 14 is current leads and voltage lags. Yun ang answer sa number 14. Dito naman sa 15, sabi dito, current is lagging naman and voltage leads. So baliktad. So there are two things na yun, diba? Okay? So how would we find nasolve natin yung given, diba? So mapping method tayo. Mapping method tayo. Let's do mapping method. Mapping. Okay, hinahanap natin si inductance.
Good morning!
Ano kaya ang formula na pwede gamitin para mahanap si inductance? Okay. So the formula which we can use para mahanap si inductance, let's look at the formulas here. Alin dyan yung may L? Hindi yan ako sa inductive reactance yan. Ano yan? Iba yan. Alin dyan? Ayun. May L siya. Okay? So that's what we will use. The inductance. The inductive reactance formula. Ang inductive reactance formula is 2,5. After nun, isolate natin si L. Divide both sides by 2 pi f, cancel, 2 pi f, therefore L is equals to xl over 2 pi f. Ay, goods. So meron tayo nito, diba? Given to, given to. However, before natin ilagay sa XL, do remember na sabi dito, the current is to lag behind the voltage. Diba? Ito na yung sagot sa problem guys. Ano yan? Pero we have to change something first. Sabi, the current is to lag behind the voltage. Okay. So let's look at may conditions. Going back dun sa conditions ng leading and lagging. Diba? Diba, remember, if xc conditions, condition of leading and lagging. If xc is greater than xl, this is capacitive circuit, and the capacitive circuit is current leads and voltage lags. Okay. On the other hand, if the inductive reactance is greater than the capacitive reactance, this is an inductive circuit, and an inductive circuit, voltage leads and current lags, and this is what we want. Yan ang gusto natin. And current is to lag behind the voltage. Lagging daw dapat ang current. So ito dapat ating condition. So what are we going to do? Saan ba nakabase ang condition na to? Nakabase po ang condition na to sa ating net reactance. Wait ko lang. So what do we do? Saan natin kukunin yung value na to? Okay. Mapping method tayo. XL will come from the net reactance or total reactance is equals to L minus XC. Diba? Yan. That's the formula, right? That's the formula. So take note na other conditions remain the same. Other conditions remain unchanged. So, ang original nating equation, ang original na equation from the number 14 is ganito. Yeah. Wait lang guys. Ano ba? Ano man siya. So, i-input lang natin yung same values from the number 14. 29.29 blank yan minus XC. Ang XC natin is what? XC is 88.42. Ito. Blank CX again. Kaya hindi rin sinama sa XL kasi nga nagbago, di ba? Mga nagbago. So 88.42. Yan. Okay. Pero dapat yan. Sabi dito, same pa din dapat yung current, yung equal current. Okay? Same value pa din dapat. Ito pa rin dapat makuha natin whatever this is. So, hahanapin natin to. Okay. So, pwede itong shift solve pero manual tayo guys. Okay. So, hanapin lang natin CXL. We know how this one works. XL is equals to, lipat lang natin sa kabila, 29.29 plus 88.42. Calculator. 29.29 plus 88.42 is equivalent to 118.41. Yan. So, yan. So, yan po ang ating XL. And as you can see, pag pinalagyan natin yan sa equation, tawag dito, XL is 118.41 minus XC is 88.42. Diba? Ito yung XL, ito yung XC. Dito pa lang, XL is greater than XC. Inductive na to. Inductive circuit na. Goods na tayo dyan. So, ito na lang. What is the value of the inductor? So, yun yung value niya. Kulang na natin. Plug lang natin sa equation. L is equals to 118.41 41 over buksan ko na 2 pi 60 hertz 118.41 over 2 shift pi over 60 is equivalent to L is equals to 0.314 3 decimal tayo Henry, and this is the final answer. Yung final answer. Okay, checking. Apply ko lang. Apply ko lang ito dito. Checking. Dapat ang sagot ay ito, obviously. 60 over 0.314. 118.38. Parang decimal difference. That's the answer.